If your Anbernic RG35XX gets stuck on the loading screen, don't worry. This is a common issue and it's usually fixable with a few simple steps. The most frequent causes are a corrupted SD card, firmware glitches, power problems, or loose internal connections. Start with a hard reset by holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to force the device to shut down. This alone can clear temporary software freezes. Next, remove the SD card and inspect it closely for cracks, bent contacts, or visible damage. If it looks fine, insert it into a computer and check it for errors. If corruption is found, back up your files and reformat the card to FAT32, since a damaged file system can prevent the system from booting. Power issues are another big factor, so make sure the battery is charged and try a different USB cable and charger in case the original isn't supplying stable power. If you're comfortable opening the device, reseating the battery connector and SD card slot connection can sometimes fix persistent boot problems. When none of this works, the next step is reflashing firmware. Download the correct firmware for your specific RG35XX model and install it on a freshly formatted or new SD card. Many users also switch to custom firmware like Garlic OS, Mu OS, or Min UI for better stability. If the device still won't boot after all this, it's best to contact Anbernic support for repair or replacement options.